The protectoplate, for those of you who don't know, is a plate that came with the car for the warranty information that would come in your warranty booklet. It was actually glued. It was a metal plate that was glued onto one of the pages. And it would tell what the serial number was, what the VIN number, what the engine number. It wasn't even a VIN number back then, right. Serial number, and the engine number and some other pertinent information. And it was a real good reference to what that car was and to where it was sold, new, whatever dealership, and to what town the person lived in when they bought it. And we always talk about nowadays, it's funny. Back in the old days, back in the 60s and 70s, car dealers didn't sell any much further than their own zip code. I mean, or even in just their own little county or neighborhood. Or town. Or township. They didn't sell it across the country or across state lines or even across, the other side of the state.
Yeah, that is true.
They sold it.
Do you know why it was metal? Why not just a printed page?
Permanent. Yeah.
Why didn't they stick it to the car?
I don't know.
That's an interesting thing.
Yeah. Can we get answers to these things?
Yeah. I have a podcast at classicautomall.com.
You've been listening to the Classic Auto Mall Show with your host, Stuart Howden.